Hi, my name is Nora, and I am a Girl Scout from Troop 4355. And today we're going to make something that counts for three things: a swap, a geocaching trade item, and a jewelry badge item too. So we're going to start with the safety pin, and you need an earring back and beads that you would like to put on it. So you open up your safety pin, and I'm going to do love with gold beads, so I'm going to slide the gold bead on there, and then I'm going to start spelling out love. So let's see here. There's the E, the V, and you can do you don't have to do love. You can do hope, or you don't even have to do words. You can do a bunch of colorful beads, or a rainbow, or something creative, or something that says you. So I'm just putting on this last bead. So I finished putting on my beads. So then I'm going to take my earring back, and I'm going to slide that on so it doesn't fall off. And then I'm going to put that back around there, and there it is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks.